contemplating that here with me is where you need to be.
Now I know what Devontae meant when he wrote Fiendin'. Or can I talk to you, cause it feel like I'm dreaming. I gotta pinch myself, still can't believe it. You hung around with a nigga even though he was cheating. Your friends all in your ear like just leave him, but you like nah, that's my baby, I really need him. So let that be the reason for the switch, the reason why I come home at night and go evil with the
Baby, you need a man like me, make this love reality. Oh baby, why can't you see that you're my destiny? Baby, you need a man like me, make this love reality. Oh baby, why can't you see that you're my destiny?
I was so young and confused, always on the block trying to bust me a move. Till this old cat sat me down and spat me a jewel. He said, you got a good thing, stop acting a fool. He said, your baby is the lady you choose, and all them other chicks you with just around for the cars and jewels. They only holler cause you dollars. What if you was just robbed? What if you was dead broke and you was working a job? Had to think before the bins, I had a handful of friends at the CL, now everybody want in. But you was down when I was getting around in my Timbs, still living with my mom, so we did the budget in. Now we do the palms every other week. She stay heated cause she stay catching me with freaks, and I know she want me to change, but fame made me weak, so I said this when she tried to speak.
Baby, you need